Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of Rastafari. You see. So that one here, what? That one here, what? Part 5. Yeah. We're going to talk about the food, health and hygiene. You see. You don't know. Big up all of the subscribers, them, both old and new. You see. Respect for the encouragement. 100. Put a big smile on my face and strength in my heart. Yeah. For heart of a better word. Energy. You see, big up all of the water, Mr. Water, OC, can't remember your name, this always happen to me. I forgot to write down people's name, but don't know. A mad love and respect same way, you see. And for the naysayers them, you have a little man who come we say him got jail and you know see the things that we talk about. But don't even know what to say about you. You know see. Anyway. We're just reaching a GP now, yeah. Say, you don't have nothing. Usually you're there jail for a while and you come a GP with like the one suit where you have on your back and thing. You see, in them days the man used to wear two underpants, cause big jeans and not even just big jeans, but it's I don't know, it's like a hygienic factor type of thing. See? Yeah, so you end up in there with two underpants. You see. As the thing that for most men wear two underpants in a prison. Seeing a marina and a slippers. Most of the time. Seeing? So when you see a man in clean clothes or a bus a drink or something like that, that go on every New Year's night. Every New Year's. That's how we used to the man that look like big prison to me, that look like jail. Water bring in anything come give you same way. If you have your water link and your water connection. Except gun or things that will hurt them. Them now make you have that. But time after time, it's not every day or whenever you want it. Time after time. And you have holiday time when a short skeletal staff or inexperienced staff or whatever type of staff. Is a way that we are whole heap of things can. And when I say whole heap of things, I just mean in the spirit of the season, yeah, whatever season it is, your birthday, Christmas, New Year's, and things like that. The water them usually extend a level of humanity whereby them make prisoner, feel a bitter connection with what go on. You see, just a bit. Seeing so, and they have money and them thing there, and money in them. If you have money for sending, obviously you have money for pay for it come into. So what do you think? A Jamaican, you know? Come on, man. Is an American ask a question there how so much money reach in a prison? Why do them run them business in a prison? You know? Prisoner run the business, but why basically have to make it happen. And obviously why an idiot. Like me say, why run prison? But I feel like if a man just done training and coming to prison, the baddest side, the biggest gangster can intimidate him and chat to him in a little way. No. Him run prison too. Him a boss. See? Believe you me. So, everything when you see a go on in there, yeah, to be fair, if without water it can't go on. See? You see water get arrested the other day for bringing things in the prison. So them say that I just what you call that again, that's publicity stunt. That's all it was. Because if they had stayed there all day, them not no staff around the prison. You hear me tell you? Yeah. See, alright. So when I just reach in now, and I just reach in and the thing now, them go some book. I say after somewhere down in the month. Every month, what them do is give prisoner them like a red soap, a red carbolic soap, 3 tissue. Can't remember if them give a toothpaste. See? What shampoo where them give in a bag. A little bag. See? I don't think them give a roll on. I don't remember that. Think they might, I don't remember that. See? But time after time, so sometimes the stock or the supply dwindle. The ration, we call it, yeah. Sometimes the supply in the prison dwindle, so the ration now get less and less. You know, see, so we get sometimes a 1 tissue, sometimes a 2 tissue. After a while, the stock get shampoo. See? Months, or probably about years, not in the shampoo. You know, see? I don't know why. You know, see? But prisoner don't like the shampoo. Because the shampoo is a health hazard. It's a security risk. Big risk factor. You know, see, I can start with it. Because when you're in the shower bed, yeah, are your most, we call it, vulnerable time. You're most vulnerable when you're in the shower. When you're up on the toilet, it's different because at least you face the man them or any attack. You know, see, and people really rush man with where you shit up like that or where you shit, because nobody business not going nowhere near. No, you don't see it. Yeah. So when you're in the bathroom, you're most vulnerable. See, because you have enemy where you never remember say your enemy where you never know say your enemy. Again, press button. You will watch your enemy and then him at the press button them. You know, see it? I press button just circle you from back where you watch him. See it? And the thing now, when you get attacked, you have to take your hand off of your head, your face, you stop cover them thing there with that type of shampoo there. You stop focus on that if you try to defend yourself and thing like that. Now the shampoo that now stop the shampoo about like acid. Come like it burn all your skin too, man. That now stop it from under in your eye. You know when that go in your eye, you're blind. See? Now, why I go to prison, this is how we go. You get man to try and capacitate you with the first blow. See? It not necessarily always successful. See? So you know him second attempt to come and him third and him fourth. You know, see? Because again, it's like me say, the nature of things have to hurt you in such a way where you're even afraid to retaliate. You know, see, because there's not a lot of instances that go on. The whole man play it have some whole particular way and the reason why they not retaliate. But we know the real reason. And again, to bash a man for that, because everybody want war and not enough. You know what I say? Just between you and them. And in a lot of cases, everybody, you and a man a friend, you and a man a friend. See? So everybody will push that. You know? Mm-hmm. But a man will come in the bathroom, man. Push a knife in you. See? It's not all the time naysayers. Sometimes you get a bass blooming at the back of your head. You see that happen regular. See? Sometimes a man broke off the pipe, because a fight broke in a bathroom for space for wash off and man underneath it too long and all of them things there. See? So fight to push until a man goes up and grab the pipe and broke off the pipe and slap a guy with it and a big iron pipe and you have to run the prison yard and things like that now. So like me always say, you go up to the water there, where a man go up to the water there. You not necessarily run go to the water, but when you run in that direction there, you pursue or ease off, because you don't want to get caught out by the water too. You know, see? Alright now. Now a lot of cases again, if the sentry fire a shot in the sky, fire the rifle in the sky and it alert at the water and them start focusing on the region and you know me I say them pick up on what go on. You know, see, but overall, nothing come out of that. That just down to you. You have to go join the little pipe, don't know what I tell you, say, the vulnerable man, them bend down and set your back to them too and catch your water, because at least your back, water them have your back now. Them not literally there watching, but it's too close to them, nobody not to come up to come with now. Unless a man decide in mind, say, I got a prisoner, I take the lumber truck, because, you see, again, depends on where you perform your action, how audacious it is in regards to respect of the water, them presence and things like that. That again, to a level of lumber to turn down upon you. That based on your action, yeah. Yeah. See. Because I put up my finger so a while ago and remember the lady said she liked my finger and it totally distract. Some kind of stay still, but you don't know. Yeah, so the war, when them things go, you have to go out the little pipe just along and set your buckle them and catch your buckle them and water and things like that, and you can go out the sun. All you have to do is watch in front of you because your back covered. See, and wash off and things like that, and the son of man get to clean up that and fix up that and go in at themselves. You know, see it, or what a meds, what another level of militancy and thing, but at least you get the shampoo out of your eye. You know, see. But the soap and the tissue, them becomes now like, them a value. You know, see, bartering value. You know, see. lot of people I get visit where even the man them where I get visit from road and I get them thing and thing like that, them keep them thing, they save them up. You know? Yeah. Them are mostly, like most man use them thing because them lesser in a value than the things them where I get from road. Things have the same same use, same purpose. See, shampoo, soap, and them little thing there. The one where I get from road, them more, you get more for them in terms of value or exchange in the prison. See? So I'm gonna use the prison one them and get as much as you can for the one in terms of value because they are swap them for goods and them thing there. See? Alright. When in the morning now, morning time, see, them bring a big pot, and a tray come and bread, some whole heap of liquor. I don't remember what kind of bread them there now. But them little shape like cupcake. You know what I say? And if a 5 are in they sell them just broke a 5 stick together and go in and they sell and share them. All them bread them man dash of them bread there. Man save them bread there. Fortunate prisoner again, they have some prisoner with a bit of resource. We might not need it, but I'm still take few one and put it down for the unfortunate prisoner. The unfortunate prisoner. No, it's like say well then I man rather eat a bread than beg you. You see, now the bread with there, I beg a man and him still give you and not say nothing about the bread, you know. You know, see it, but it add to your mystique, your credibility. See? You know, when you gossip up and you know, angle your own business the best way you can. You know, see, I mean, further elaborate. You know, see, all right. With tea now come, we have mint tea. See, you know, everybody love just like a black tea with sugar in it, mint tea. Yeah, most people love it. Not everybody are alright with it, but not everybody take it. You know, have to. See, all right. They have a next tea what them call the chocolate tea. It's not really, I don't know how they make that or white make out or it have a little bit of component of chocolate, but it still have a whole heap of difference in it. Well, enough man don't like it because them say birth control in it. Since enough man don't like it. Now, where the tea is most effective now is when water beat you. See? Because in a lot of cases that are your only form of medication for them blow the way you get from the bottom, you know, man. Because as long as part of you not chop out and you not bleed, you not go to hospital, nobody don't carry you to hospital. You have a little thing when I back them call the hospital. You have a little hospital ward where somebody hardly monitor you and things like that and report from your city. Me don't know what them say them do. See? Because nothing, you just run the lie down. You know, see, no facility, no nothing, not just some other cell around there. You know, see it? See, but me don't know what kind of added amenities come with it. A whole heap of man, you know, rather go around there. You know, see. But the only thing, like me say, if your head no bust, something no broke, think a man there with broke foot and broke hand in themselves all day because it's not an open wound, we're sure. And another day now when water vibes cool down and shift change and all the different water come and see man and say, get that broke man. At them time then we get some assistance. You know see, in a whole heap of cases. Now most cases, water beat you and broke you up man if you not hang off, sit now hang off half of you man, them now look back on you again. You know see, so you use the hot tea in a buckle. Like you make a hot water buckle, you put it in a chubby buckle and you hold it on the area them and them way and you rub on your massage and do your own little thing until, you know, the day come for you get a little relief or whatever with that. You see it. Now the next reason and purpose of the tea now is that when you see where you can pick up pan, again with that, when you see a man a catch it in a bulk, you might not like a man with a nearby or in the line. See? So you just catch a big pail of tea and just dash it pan all that guy. It's not a regular occurrence or a whole heap of cases, but I'm just to show you certain things that people look over for when you see some man Oh, I don't beat nobody yesterday. I know you can't remember yesterday. You see me with all them big ball and line and you wonder what go on yesterday. If I run a back him, a man go and get beat now. Oh, nobody don't wait. What am I do with that? Somebody more trade pan. You know what I say? Because that type of tea there is not a favorite drinker from the prisoner them. Now, what is a favorite? I must start about this before I talk about the rest of food them. Is the soup. You know, see, time after time, probably every month. Them cook a pot, them cook a, I don't know, it can't be a pot. You see, but them cook chicken back soup, pumpkin soup. And I tell you, them put some effort in that soup. Yeah. That's the only thing them put some effort in. Let them say them a cook. The only thing. You see, every man, not all the time, again, not all the time, but every man we take a drink of that. Every and we never see no man go on like them above that or like so well then there's anything in regards to that. You see, when soup are sharing all four all four pot, them have to bring come on the block. You know see it? Yeah. 4 trip and all them things. They have a line. Man line up in a line and wait for the pot come back and them really like nice compliant citizens. Yeah, that are all, you know. Yeah, I saw the soup. I saw that soup, that bad. You see, but the regular ration, the regular diet now is like crushed banana, fry up chicken back, or steamed turkey neck. Seeing? Now you can get either with either at any stage. And rice. Or dumpling and yellow yam. Yeah, you get dumpling and yellow yam. You know? You never see dumpling, yellow yam and banana. Because what them do, them crush the banana. I mean, you say, I walk about the man, them cook the banana them and show them out in something or something. You know, just march up on them with them boat. You know, crush them. I don't know if I true or I lie. See? I can't roll, man. But I never see nobody. Just, you know, see. So, but the man them know, you know, it's like so well then overall, in terms of dignity and character, you know, see, I better you take some of that than beg a man feed food, you know, see, or you find other way, come up with some different resource where you can eat. See? Like you can get the green banana them, run a prison back and you can keep them till them ripe. You know, see? Wait, stick to the diet first. You know, see? So, the crushed banana now, you just get that with some fry up chicken back and long water on top of it, you know, see it. And it smell like it dead. Yeah. Yeah. Like a long time, like a years, them have them chicken back there. Even the turkey neck, them and them thing. And worse, no seasoning or that not even like a black pepper, you know. Man, them they even stay outside of the prison and spring some black pepper over there. Nothing like that, Rasta. You know, see it? And the turkey neck are the same. And them steam the turkey neck until the little flesh with upon it just hang off of it like, you know what I say? Not that they really see it? But what happen now, you have other prisoners now who work in them places and sentence man run a back where we buy from man who work in the kitchen and in the stores and we buy flour, buy cornmeal, buy chicken back, buy a little this, buy a little that, and show him resources connection with the water and things like that. You might get him full course we call it here, seasoning from outer road. Some sentence men are privileged to that as well. Like for them visit, them parents can bring certain things, come give them where remand man can't get. Since like seasoning curry and them things that then we get some of them, things. Water we buy them to care come give them. So now there was a rumor say you have man in there cook drunk or give water. I lie still, but just for added information in regards to the nature of the prison. You know, see. So if the relationship never that close, you couldn't come up with such a argument, a rumor. You know, so what I say. So it's not like I'm promoting the rumor, but rather reinforcing the facts that people cook food in there and to a certain standard as well. You know, see, now the fortunate prisoner them like Chinaman them, Vivian Blake them, the rich prisoner them now, buy for them food from them money. You know, see it, and like me say, as it's a business, it's like there's a way wherever, whichever section you're up on the, you just make your order and the man knows say, yeah, as a, you know me I say, you get your food every day. Same way, you get a decent place of food every day. See? Yeah. No, and then time after time, your parents them treat you a certain little way, you treat yourself to a plate of food you like that, you know? Yeah. And yeah, respectability and you look, yeah, like people love you type of thing. You know, see? Seeing? But the banana dumpling and the yellow yam now, you know, and like me I say, still, it better you eat them than beggar man and depend on people at prison because nothing free. And a suppressed button breed. You know, see, man, you live on people things and all them way you end up psychologically commit yourself to him and film crosses and them little thing there. You know, see, and have to end up, you know, find yourself in a certain little dirty position. You know, see. You know, see. Yeah, man. No, for lack of resource now, and people where don't really have no whole heap of help and assistance on motor road now, you'll find say, like, oats and them thing there. Oats is a cereal where becomes a precious commodity. See, green banana. In a prison, cause like me say, them have a pension for banana in there, on the diet. Banana the ration. I don't know, crushed banana. So you will get banana for buy from other prisoners who are working at the stores and things like that. See? Now for the man where I send a farm around there, what that in front of the jail, the prison section or the gay boy them depend. I never say it's a big farm with great area. Right? For them little farm that everything in our prison is miniature and we give the name just to familiarize yourself with being on the road same way. It little, you walk past it and not see, but at the farm, that's how we call it, at them farm, for them farm, and plant callaloo and everything in the same way. You know, see it? Alright. The stores are one little cell. See? But we talk about it like say a Yearwood Street. See? And so on and so on. Because we have to maintain a certain level of sanity. So sometimes when you hear me say certain things in regards to don't really, you know what I say? Put it to just because if you never experienced prison yet, cannot, for the love of it, understand some of the terminologies and principles. You know, see, you have to just take what I say. You know, see, yeah. See, so the less fortunate prisoners were resourceful now, like myself had us to be in a lot of cases when things tough or when I don't get a visitor or when whatever. You know, see, you have to conserve and preserve. You go around, you try to get all 3 banana, probably 6 banana, the more the merrier. A lot of time you will get them free too. A lot of time sentence man just have them in themselves. You know, ripe up and all them things that them know. You know, see it. Carry them banana in the background of your place, you keep some till them ripe. Now what we do, we make a thing named Mampi. See? Mampi now when you soak the oats in the water for all a day, so it becomes like a paste. See? You get the brown sugar and you put it in the oats, the soaked oats. And you whip it like a cake you make until it come like a juice, no oats particle and them things that are two in there again. And most of the time you just have to do that for boredom, you know. You know, see it? And you whip out that. Then you put the banana them in the ripe banana. You know, to the ripe banana them in it and you whip out them there until, like me say, a juice. You know, see, but you not to add no water, and the more things you add to it, the thicker it becomes. See? So it essentially becomes like a tar. You know, black like tar, you know, but thick like tar. You know, see it? And you munch on that whole week. No. You don't make so much. Because you share it up as well. That's something where regardless of who you is, you like it. You want some because essentially it come out to be like a protein type of sludge. I can't call it protein shake. It comes a protein sludge. You know, see it. And every man like it. You have to you scrape out every man holding a for them little cup and shake it off with the spoon. You know, you have to him cup give him up on him plate or whatever. And yeah, you see it. You burn your spliff and you enjoy your spliff or whatever. And you sit down there and every man goes up and you know, so you see all the man will make all him mampy. He becomes, by doing so, he becomes, make himself proficient. It's like he make himself, you know what I say? Resourceful. You know, see, because a something good for you and it's nice. It come like a sweet tooth type of thing in a lot of cases. And it energetic, it energizing and it, yeah. Yeah, because enough man live on that. I live on that for weeks at prison. You know, see. But it's like it come out of nothing, like it come out of dust at prison. I wouldn't go say garbage because, like me I say, even though to some people from the road, that look like garbage or be garbage or whatever. But again, the next one man garbage is the next man's treasure type of thing. You know, see. So, yeah. You know, see. Yeah, and I eat that for the food and the health and hygiene type of thing. You know, see? Yeah, man. So next time we don't know when I talk how, like, we are just generalize the whole a day in a prison. You know what I say? We are just talk about a typical day inside of the prison. We don't talk about what can go wrong or what could have did go wrong and all them things. We don't summarize all of that already. See, we are just talk about how living a typical day in the prison go. Things where you don't forget by and things like that, and you know? But you don't know. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe. See? You go ask Del Do. Go ask. Yo, believe it or not. See? The message is real. Rastafari.